Hello everybody, it's Danny here at Danny Reviews, and this here is a two-piece strainer set with a self-draining base, which is really nice. You can see here how compact it is, especially all three pieces, especially when I am going down the road in my RV. This here takes up minimal space, and you can see because it's compact, I can stick this sideways or in a drawer, and it's not going to take up much space because it's collapsible. And again, this is a two-piece, technically three-piece if you include the drainage base. It has a rubber basin here, a rubber base, which is nice too, right? So it's not going to slide, and it's going to be able to drain into your sink, because we all know when we drain our pasta, and you drain it into the water, and then when you set it down, there's still water dripping. So it's so nice to be able to just, drain your pasta and then sit it in the base and then let the rest of the water still keep draining into the sink. Really nice. And you can see here, it's pretty deep. It's going to be enough, especially the larger one, for definitely a whole box of spaghetti. And then if you're making like mac and cheese for the kids, we use the smaller one a lot more. And this would be for like mac and cheese, those elbow noodles, and then they collapse. And what I like about it, look how simple it was. You can also hang these too if you wanted to. So if you have hooks, you can hang these as well because there are holes. So you can definitely hang them all together, these three pieces. If you're looking for a compact strainer set, especially if you're someone like me who RVs and on the road and looking for something that is going to be able to tuck away, store away, plus also be rubberized here, definitely check out this set from Gevoli. And a huge shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review.